Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and simple tutorial on how to import an audio file in FL Studio. It's super straightforward, so let's dive right into it. Alright, I've got FL Studio open here. The first thing you want to do is either press F6 on your keyboard or click on this button, the View Channel Rack button. Once you have the channel rack open, click on the plus sign to add a new channel. In the Miscellaneous section, select Audio Clip. Just click on Audio Clip, and it'll appear. To import your audio clip, click on the folder icon. This opens up your files, so navigate to the location of your audio file. I'll choose a song from my music folder. And there you go. The audio has been imported. Now, to add this audio to one of our tracks, simply drag it onto the track. And that's it. And there you have it, folks. Importing audio in FL Studio. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.